Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya digital learning class. Hi children, how are you? I hope you all are safe and fine. As children, previous class what you learned? Roman numericals. As how to write Roman numbers in Arabic numbers. Arabic numbers in Roman numbers you learned. Yes or no? This is chapter number 3. Review of basic numerical operations. Revision. Okay children. See, we learnt 4 basic operations on numbers. What are they? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Okay. See, in what is there? 4. What is that? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. In this, today I will explain you addition. Okay. Addition. In the addition sums, 4 digit, 5 digit, yes. 4 digit numbers, 3 digit number, how to add, Yes, na children? Today I will explain you 4 digit number, how to add. Okay. Again I will show you some rules. You should write that and you should learn that. Understood children? Children, you should write in this in the classwork. Okay. Numbers to be added are called addends and the result is called the sum. Okay. Always add from the first digit on the right, that is from the digit in the ones place. Understood? If the sum of the digit exceeds 9, then the digit in the tens place is carried over the next place in the place value chart. Understood children? You should write in the classwork this one. Compulsorily you should know this rules. Rules of the addition this. Children, example 1. Okay. What you have to do? You should arrange in the place value chart these numbers. Yes or no? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. First which number is there? 3456. 3456. After that 3920. After that 2275. You should add this. Yes. This is called place value chart. You should arrange the numbers in the place value chart. Yes or no children? See, we arranged like this. After that what you have to do? You should add in the ones place. Yes. See, in the ones place here 6, here 0, here 5. 6 plus 0, 6. 6 plus 5, 6 plus 5, 11. 11 like that only you should write? No. You should write here 1, again 1 carry forward to next place. Yes or no? You should carry forward to next place. Next place means what is that next place? Tens place. Next again you should add these 4 numbers. See 1, 5, 2, 7 you should add. Yes. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 5, 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 means what you have to do? 5 here, 1 carry forward to next place. What is that next place? Hundreds place. Yes, you should carry forward to hundreds place. Next, again what you have to do? You should add again these 4 numbers 1, 4, 9, 2. Yes, what you have to do? You should add 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 9, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 6 here, 1 carry forward to next place. What is that next place? Thousands place. Again in the thousands place you should add these 4 numbers. 1, 3, 3, 2. Yes, you should add this. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. You know na addition, children? Adding? Yeah. Understood? What we did here? We added these 3 numbers. What we got here? 9651. Yes? Right. Completed? Now, next, one more sum. Only addition sums today, okay? See children, what you have to do? You should arrange in the place value chart. Yes. See once, here 4 digit, here 4 digit, here 3 digit. You should arrange in the place value chart. See, 3000 ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Yes, 3935, 4843, 407, hundreds place, 407. Addition symbol you should do. Okay, ones place you should add. 7 plus 3, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 like that only you should write? No. Here 5, 1 carry forward to next place. Yes. Again you should add these 4 numbers. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 0, 8 plus 0, 8. Understood? Here any carry forward is there? No. Because only 8. Single digit number. Yes. 8 is single digit number. This is not double digit number. That's why 8 like that only you should write. Again you should add these 3 numbers. Yes. 9 plus 8. 17. 17 plus 4. 21. 21. 2 digit number. What you have to do? What you have to do? Ones place you should keep here in the tens place 2. That one you should keep in the carry forward. Yes or no? 2. 21. Yes. Ones place 1 is there. That one you should keep here. Tens place 2 is there. This one you should keep it in the carry. Okay. Next place. 2 plus 3. 5. 5 plus 4. 9. Understood? What is that answer? 9185 is the answer. Understood children? Write it fast. Few more sums I will give. Children, few more sums you should do. See children, observe this, here 4 digit, here 4 digit, here 3 digit. You should arrange in the place value chart. These numbers you should arrange in the place value chart, okay? Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See, 4,693, 4,446 plus 566. See here, 3 plus 6, 9. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 like that only should write? No. 5 here, 1 carry forward. Again, 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 plus 6, 20. Yes, 20 means 0 here, 2 carry forward. Again, 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 5, 13. 3 here, 1 carry forward. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. What is the answer? 9,305 is the answer. Write it fast, children. Write it fast. Next sum. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. See here, 5,630. Sorry, 5,639, 6,746, 6,344. You should add this first. 9 plus 6, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 9 here, 1 carry forward. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 here, 1 carry forward. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 plus 7, 14. 14 plus 3, 17. 7 here, 1 carry forward. Here, 5 plus 1, 6. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 8, 18. 8 here, 1 here. What is that answer? 18,729. Understood, children? 18,729 is the answer. One more sum. One more sum, children. See, you should arrange in the place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. See, 3,694, 634, 6,430, 174. Addition you should do. Yes, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 0, 8. 8 plus 4, 12. 2 here, 1 carry forward. 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, 13. 13 plus 3, 16. 16 plus 7, 23. 23. 3 here, 2 carry forward. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 4, 18. 18 plus 1, 19. 9 here, 1 carry forward. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 6, 10. Here number not there. That's why only these 3 numbers you should add. Yes, 10. What is that answer? 10,932. Understood, children? Children, this is your homework. Take screenshot and write.